NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Multiple Choice Question 5. If cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then sin of alpha minus beta can be reduced to option A, cos beta, option B, cos 2 beta, option C, sin alpha, and option D, sin 2 alpha. Now let us find the answer. We are given cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 0. We know that cos 90 degrees is equal to 0, or cos of odd multiples of 90 degrees is equal to 0. For simplicity, let us assume that alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. That implies alpha is equal to 90 degrees minus beta. We need to find sin of alpha minus beta, and let us substitute alpha is equal to 90 degrees minus beta in this. Sin of alpha minus beta is equal to sin of alpha is 90 degrees minus beta minus beta. That is equal to sin of 90 degrees minus 2 times beta. We know that sin of 90 degrees minus x is equal to cos x. Here x is 2 beta. Therefore, sin of 90 degrees minus 2 beta is equal to cos 2 beta, which is option B. Therefore, for the given multiple choice question, if cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then sin of alpha minus beta can be reduced to option B, cos 2 beta.